Understanding Security Screening, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that you've likely encountered, especially if you've traveled recently. We're talking about security screening. Whether at airports, concerts, or public buildings, security screening is a crucial process for ensuring safety. Let's unravel what this phrase means and why it's important in today's world. Stay tuned to become more confident in using and understanding this essential term. Security screening is a process used to check people and their belongings for prohibited items before they enter a certain area, such as an airplane, concert venue, or government building. The primary goal is to enhance safety by preventing the entry of dangerous objects like weapons, explosives, or illegal substances. This process can involve various methods, including metal detectors, X-ray machines, and physical searches. Security screening isn't just about airports, although that's where many of us experience it most frequently. It's also conducted at public and government buildings to ensure the safety of employees and visitors. Concerts and sports events to prevent violent incidents. Entry points of countries, border control, to regulate what enters and leaves a country. The why is straightforward: to protect people. In today's world, the threat of terrorism, violence, and smuggling is real. Security screening acts as a deterrent and a protective measure to keep everyone safe. Understanding the steps can make the experience less daunting. 1. Initial check. Present your ID and boarding pass at airports or entry ticket events. 2. Belongings check. Place your bags and personal items on a conveyor belt for X-ray scanning. 3. Personal screening. Walk through a metal detector. You may be asked to undergo additional checks, like a body scan or a pat-down, if anything unusual is detected. 4. Final steps. Collect your belongings. You might be asked additional questions or for a manual inspection of your items if something suspicious is found. Prepare in advance. Know what items are prohibited and pack accordingly. Be patient and cooperative. Understand that security staff are there to ensure everyone's safety. Follow instructions. Whether it's removing your shoes or placing electronics in a bin, following the staff's instructions can expedite the process. We hope this video has shed light on the security screening process and its significance in maintaining public safety. Remember, while it may sometimes feel inconvenient, the primary goal is to protect you and others. Keep these insights in mind next time you're preparing for a trip or attending a large event. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English learning content. Stay safe and confident as you navigate the English-speaking world.